Oh my god, guys, what's going on and what will be next? Because Bitcoin previously broke below the key diagonal support level and now Bitcoin is pushing toward downside. So I want you to realize what's going on for real, guys, and for that we gotta dive into Bitcoin chart. Previously, especially on the 4-hour time frame, Bitcoin was dumping for a long time, and a bit later, Bitcoin price broke below the key support level at 60k. By the way, it was the lowest price of 2026. After that, Bitcoin fall to the brand new lowest price of 2026. It is now 59k. Smart money was accumulating their own position, and a little later Bitcoin started to trade in a swing upward trend, because on the 1-hour time frame Bitcoin started to push hard, and for the first time in a while Bitcoin started to increase its minimums and maximums, which looked like a signal of a swing reversal, which we of course got. Basically, the swing upward trend was only because of one fact. Bitcoin is pushing hard and putting the next minimum and maximums higher than it was. And to be frank, this upward structure is broken. Bitcoin previously broke below this key diagonal support level, which price was sticking for a long time, and on top of that, for the first time, the price started decreasing its extreme points, which we can interpret as a bearish signal, of course, guys. And that of the day, all bounces we deem first of all as a bounce, not as a reversal. And basically, the long term, especially on the 1 hour, on the daily time frame, long-term trend is downward trend, and in this moment nothing is gonna change. Basically, relying on these factors, I'm expecting, and my new target is 61k. This key support level is round support level, and after that we'll be watching what's going on in my next video. But what about some entry points where we can fire some long or short trades? Basically, the first one I see at the closest resistance level at 64k. It is round resistance level, which one the price broke below but hasn't touched this resistance one, which means that if price hit this resistance level, it is increasing the probability of a bounce back, and after that a continuation of this downward move toward the support level, toward my target, as I said previously, at 61k. But at the same time, I allow for the possibility that Bitcoin may fall from the current price. And in my opinion, if you are quite risk-tolerant traders, I think you might short from approximately the current price and put, for example, your stop loss above the resistance at 65k, for example, right here at 65,250, for example, or above the resistance at 67,250. It is this recent high, and above this recent high. Basically, that is my prediction, and of course my target, as I said previously, it is 61k. After that, maybe an upward upward move, and something like a bounce, and after that maybe an update of the lowest price of 2026. It is 50k. But to be frank, I don't want to get ahead of myself with my predictions, guys. Basically, this was just my view, my thoughts, not financial advice, of course, guys. Thanks for watching. This was just my take, no financial advice. See you later, guys. Subscribe to the channel, and see you later, guys. Bye bye.